that means the galaxy is moving away from us. We learned this from Christian Doppler, a German physicist in the 1800s. He did an experiment with a train. Okay? And so what happens? The train whistle goes by. We know this intuitively, even if you've never thought it. It doesn't go, well, let's do it with a race car, because I can make that sound better. The car goes, right? Did I get it right? That's pretty good, right? Okay, I can do that better than a train. All right. So, the car does not go, it doesn't do that, does it? No. It doesn't go, no, it doesn't do any of that. It goes, high pitch to low pitch. So the sound waves up front, every sound wave it makes, it now travels closer to that sound wave before it makes the next wave. So the pitch, so the wavelength is shorter, the pitch is higher, okay? And when it recedes, the sound waves get stretched apart. You get a lower pitch. So analogizing what we see in the universe, you can conclude, I'm getting there, you can conclude that the galaxies that show the shift to longer wavelengths of light are moving away from us. They indeed were. He then noticed that if you were twice as far away, the object was moving twice as fast. And he looked in every direction and found, like we had some kind of case of cosmic BO or something, all the galaxies were scattering away from us, all except for a couple that are really nearby, like the Andromeda Galaxy, which we will collide with in a few billion years. More on that later. So it later turns out, Einstein shows us, that this redshift is not specifically a Doppler shift, it's what we call a cosmological redshift. It shifts because space itself is expanding. And so the wave, as it moves through space, gets stretched in the expansion, the fabric of space and time itself. And so, if everybody's moving away, turn the clock back, you can ask the question, when was it all in the same place at the same time? That was 14 billion years ago. That's how we date the Big Bang. We look around, turn the clock back. And which way is everybody going? Back to the same spot. It looks like we're at the center. But the signature of this expansion would be revealed no matter where you are. If you go to this other galaxy over here, this expanding fabric of the universe will look like it's centered on this galaxy as well. So everybody was at the center 14 billion years ago. There's not some center somewhere else. We all occupied it in a different state at the same time, at the same place, 14 billion years ago.